Hermann Anschutz Kampf. Hermann Anschutz Kampf was a known German scientist plus inventor of submarine gyrocompasses. He worked really hard in the field of high sea navigations. He mainly focused to keep the reliability of the sea level by measuring the height and depth through his invention of the devices named gyrocompasses. Hermann was obsessed by the course level that was not accurate to the point what he wants to be. Hence, he started his working in the measuring field. His instruments always kept concentration on high local geographic areas. He found that in the north direction, the air passes fast. Hence, with his teaching and learning, he was able to invent a first gyrocompass that measures the speed of the air in sea level in 1904. This has become the commencement point in the German scientist theory and become maritime innovation invention, renamed in the history by the name of Hermann Anschutz Kampf. Howard Aiken. Howard Aiken was born in Hoboken, New Jersey on 8 March 1900. During his schooling period, he began work as a switchboard operator. After the completion of high school in 1918, he received his bachelor's degree from University of Wisconsin. In 1923, he became a professor at the University of Miami. He received his master's in physics from Harvard in 1937. He wanted to build a machine that used parts that had already been invented to save on cost and time. He built the Mark I, first program-controlled calculator the world had, an early form of a digital computer, with Grace Hopper at Harvard. It was controlled by both mechanical and electrical devices. It was slow, requiring 3 to 5 seconds for a multiplication operation. But it was low priced and as per the requirement of that time. Although he continued to build other computers, yet they would soon be made outdated by more advanced electronics. He died on 14th March 1973. Hubert Cecil Booth. Hubert Cecil Booth, born in Gloucester on 4th July 1871, was an English civil engineer and mechanical engineer who, in 1901, invented the vacuum cleaner. This was the very same year that he formed a consultancy for engineering. In the year 1903, he founded the British Vacuum Cleaner Company. Compressed air was used to clean a railway carriage where dust clouds were blown around. After witnessing this, the principle of the vacuum cleaner was conceived by him. At Earl's Court in London, he was commissioned to work on the Ferris wheel in the year 1894. Later on in Paris, Blackpool and Vienna, he continued to work on structures that were very similar. In Scotland, over Loch Etive, the Cornwall Ferry Bridge was all thanks to the genius of Hubert Cecil Booth in the year 1902. When in 1902, at the King Edward VII coronation at Westminster Abbey, the carpets in blue were cleaned by the vacuum machines of Booth. He and the machines received the biggest boost and became very popular. He passed away on 18th January 1955. J. Stuart Blackton. J. Stuart Blackton was the famous film producer of the silent era of Anglo-Americans. He was one of the first filmmakers who used the techniques like stop motion and some animations on the pictures. He is known by the name of the father of American in the field of animations. Hence, this invention gives him an inventor's tag. By a career, he was a reporter and an artist by later in the studio that he ran. He started producing and directing as well. Their first film, known as The Enchanted Drawing, was the world-famous Best Animated Movie. In the early career of his film, he used to sketch like an artist for the pictures of cigars and other snaps for the shots of the film that needed to be taken by the film. This creativity was also highly popular among audience for his work. He also worked for the live motion pictures in his career of film industry. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.